Mini PC from AliExpress. Intel inside. Ports. USB 3.0 for the headphone. Probably ear blaster, remote or something. Power. Vents. And on the back, we do have a power and HDMI, USB Type-C, Internet, USB Type-A, twice, probably 2.0. Maybe a Thunderbolt, maybe, and another HDMI. It is tiny. It's so tiny. Okay, we have some numbers in there. Yeah, a couple of legs in it. It's so tiny, and the Mac Mini feels big. Noise? Very little. We do have two screens in 4K 60 frames per second, and it is, well, a little bit ghosty, but it works in 4K 60, and that is impressive. It's the Intel Celeron 5095. It's very inexpensive, and with a memory, we do have, yeah, that's very low, 156, 250. It's, yeah. Is it going to fit? That is the... It will. Check this out. I have a PC in my pocket. Let's see YouTube with 4K. Is it going to work? With a wireless internet, it works, like you can see, smoothly. It's smooth. So there you go, mini PC from AliExpress.